Oui, l'Éternel, anglais a pas voulu entrer dans la tête moi. Prof là, parler trop rapide. Rien pas entrer dans la tête là.
Good morning, 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 morning. Hi guys, I am Miss Sarah and today we're going to be learning the month of the year. So let's see. It says in this comment I was moving too fast and I apologize for that. I will go a little more slowly. Okay, January means
Janvier,
February means
février,
March means
mars,
April means
avril,
May means
mai,
June means
juin,
July means
juillet,
August means
août,
September means
septembre,
October means
octobre,
November means
novembre,
December means
décembre.
that's what we're gonna be learning. So if you guys liked the video, bye.